Hi everyone! Welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I'll be cooking Nyonya Sambal steamed fish. Come along with me to see how it is prepared. Here I have whole red snapper, approximately 1 kg. I have asked my fishmonger to fillet the body. Something like this. Just few pieces like this. The seasoning is very simple, just 1 teaspoon of salt. Rub the salt on every piece on both sides. Okay, so then we cut each fillet into 3 pieces. Then arrange the fillet somewhat off center so that the pieces sticks out from the main body. Do the same for the other piece. Also arrange the pieces a bit off center and sticking out at the sides. So steam the fish for a total of 8 minutes. So while we are steaming, let's have a look at our sambal paste. This is my Nyonya Sambal paste, which I will use to top my fish. Do find the video on how to prepare the Nyonya Sambal paste in the description box below. 5 minutes later, our fish looks something like this. So we need to drain some of the accumulated water during the steaming process. So just drain it like so. Then I have here 5 tablespoons of Nyonya Sambal paste. So what I'm going to do is to spread the paste in whichever way that you prefer. So personally, I like to spread it at the center, leaving the sides of the fillet still visible for the purpose of presentation. So steam for a further 3 minutes. So 8 minutes later, a total of 8 minutes, our steamed fish is ready. So top it with spring onions, torched ginger flower, the fresh chilies, and also the freshly squeezed lime. This freshly squeezed lime adds a bright, zesty flavor and a burst of freshness to our Nyonya Sambal fish. Enjoy this fish while it is still warm with a bowl of rice. Till we meet again in another video, here's wishing you all the best and happy cooking!